Hello everyone, long time no see. I have been really busy for the past whole month and I don't have any chance to upload videos. I think I missed a couple important topics. Cloud code definitely will be one, and the context engineering is another one, and also the sub agents. Let's catch up a little bit for today's video. Yeah, so Cloud Code just released this new feature called the sub agent, which is very powerful. What it does is like, it's like you can define your own helper assistant while you are running the Cloud Code. It can based on your own requirement to do this and that. So I have created three agents based on my personal experience. I feel like it's very useful, and I want to go over it with go over about that one by one with you guys. So there are the three agents I wanted. First one is the stack on track agent. I call it stack on track agent. So what it does at the end of the day is a context engineering. Based on my experience with the cloud code, sometimes if the task is very complicated and we drift away about the context, drift away from the original goal. That's why I created this stay on track agent. Uh, it's like a sandwich type of operation. What does it mean, sandwich? Before Cloud Code start to do something in each iteration. It start to invoke this agent to get some information, to get some data. Where are we? What is our original goal? And what we have done so far? And what we are doing right now? Are we drifting away from the original goal or not? I feel like this is very useful because it can help the Cloud Code to, to correct their thinking, to come back to the original goal. Uh, I have a lot of experience like I was asking something and then another question comes up and we start to resolve that question and then the entire thinking flow got drift away. So this is the agent that I have created. So what it does is instead of just saving that in its a cloud code memory, I ask Cloud Code specifically to create a markdown file. Where are we? What is the status? You write down to the markdown file and you retrieve it later. Doing this kind of thing. And another agent I have, it's a obviously this is not necessary, but I feel like sometimes it's useful. So it's like a web search agent. What it does is for some new topics that is not that is coming during the brainstorm or anything, just ask this agent to search the relative example data or the use case for Cloud Code to use. Not necessarily have to follow this pattern. Definitely Cloud Code should have their own autonomy over a lot of over the coding. But this is just another helper context for Cloud Code to make good judgment and a decision. Yes, again, this is context engineering. The next one is the debug buddy. I feel like this is also very useful based on my experience. Debug buddy, when we debug something, I ask Cloud to do something to debug something is not working, and we ask try to iterate down the bug and try to do a lot of trial and error, and ends up we're running a loop work back into the we're getting to the starting point, which is not good. So same thing. I ask Cloud Code to create a MD file for each iteration. What is this bug? What we have done so far? What method we have tried to resolve this bug? Is that working? Is that not working? If it's not working, do we have any progress? Are we on the right track or no? So I feel like this is also very useful. So you don't waste a lot of tokens getting back and forth, but without resolving the issue. So this is a three agent that I want to share, and I just attached this agent to my to this small project I developed. It literally costs less than 30 minutes. I read, I'm pretty sure less than 30 minutes, and I can assure you that I read zero lines of code to have this application ready. So I asked Cloud Code to create a YouTube video trend analyzer. So what it does basically is just to search from the YouTube, uh, given the topics and what is the most popular one and which is the new trend right now. and I'm using LangChain to some do some simple analysis. It's not that very intricate, and I also use Chroma to for some semantic searching for the better result. So I'll share this code to everybody, and it's a pretty cool. 30 minutes, you can get this type of MVP or POC. I feel like it's really cool. Let's see. I want to search for the uh, coding agent, coding agent topic. Let's see the result together. And I hit analysis. It start to fetch all the uh, videos that I can get. Then I'm doing the batch processing because I don't want to, hit the rate limited error for my OpenAI. And then it's processing. Yeah, after the processing, I'm asking to save this information into the vector DB Chroma. This is generate. This is saving to the vector DB right now, and then it can start to generate the insights. It's actually pretty fast. You imagine you have 50 number of the videos, then that's a lot. So 50 numbers, coding agent. There are two topics that has been identified for the past 7 days. Let's see what is that. ChatGPT agent, agent development. I'm pretty sure. Uh, yeah, yeah. That's about that. And I feel free to take a look or, and yeah, thank you so much.